intrigued when introduced to this event because branding is something that we tend to overlook many times. I'm grateful to be here with many powerful women, to see many familiar faces. I look forward to reading from you guys.
I hope at the end of the day I find my me.
I move forward with restarting the journey that I have been on for the past few years.
I'm very trusting, and it's very hard for me to say no.
I think I'm an introvert, really, that's what I am. Most people may think not, but I rather not be in the spotlight unless I have to.
Life is fleeting, and while we think we have every single moment of the rest of our lives to plan and execute, that is in fact not the case.
I need to build myself as a person and as a brand. I am looking to help women on their journey to thriving.
And I look forward to learning about building my brand.
That I really understand my role, where I play.
I've also triggered me wanting to come to this, which I think this will help that.
And so I'm looking to grow that into something that can make me money.
So it's a plan, it's a process, and it's going to happen.
So that's it.
These are the iconic leaders of their market. A lot of people, when they hear global brand, they think it has to be the whole world. What you will discover here is that this is a holistic approach to brand. It is a process of discovering you. Most people get excited about the logo, the photo shoot, the more tangible aspects. And of course, you can create that and it'll be nice. It'll be beautiful photos. But where is the meaning? What symbols really connect to a higher frequency or identity? Now, I use this word frequency because I think it allows us to understand it at a more soul level. This isn't just about identity in naming something you do or listing out a resume. It is literally a vibration that you're creating that comes out of your narrative. And so I have a lot to cover with you. And I hope you're ready to go deep, to let go of what you think you know, what you think you know, and be present to discover what you don't know that you don't know yet.